everybody, welcome back. It's Saturday, the day before Mother's Day, so when you see this, it'll be Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms, especially mine, the best one. Welcome back. Got a little bit of a rain delay in planning, so put a little more time in on the purple 1850. Got, well, both fenders mounted. Some lights. I've been putting in LED lights instead of the old incandescent. So right fender is done. Left fender is mounted. But I still got to get the lights in. Put all new wiring in. And just make her better. And one thing I wanted to share, when I mount these fenders, I put a one of these star washers in between the fender and the bracket. I also do it on the couple of bolts at least, and that way they'll cut through the paint and get me a good ground. Well, today's project was a little rainy out of the field. As you saw, got the fenders mounted. You can see the dash. You can also see it in that fender. Got the lights all but hooked up. I've got some, ran out of electrical connectors. Got some more coming. But I got them hooked up enough to where I can at least make sure they would work before I tightened everything down. Let's turn these babies on. As I mentioned in a previous one, you might have seen it, but I got these purplish lights for the gauges. And I thought those looked pretty sweet, so I was talking to Abby. Saying, man, it'd be neat if I could find something for the fender lights. And I got searching on Amazon, and I found RGB LED headlights. Check that out. One's got a They can be pretty much any color you want. Red, green, blue. They say that's supposed to be yellow, but it's kind of green. And a blue green. Let's see, that's supposed to be purple. I like that purple better. They'll even do a strobe effect or fade. They weren't priced bad. They're about 30 bucks for a pair of them, which is pretty comparable to LEDs that are just white. It's supposed to be 900 lumens. I don't know if it's quite that bright, but switch her back to white. They're pretty bright. But it's a par 36 LED bulb, so it looks just like the regular incandescent. No modifications needed to put it in the Oliver housing for the 4-digit tractors anyways. And it's not even polarity sensitive. I tried hooking up both ways and they light up. So I set up an Amazon store. So there's a link down in the description, and you can go and get the link to these lights, link to the lights in the dash that I bought, other stuff that I've bought off of Amazon, filters, whatnot. I'll be adding to it. You can find some pretty good deals on filters and other parts on there. But I just had to show them off. Maybe I should go turn out the lights. Yeah, I would say they're not really any brighter than the old incandescents. There's probably brighter LED lights out there, but you can still see with it for what's mostly going to be a show tractor. Doubt I'm going to do a lot of nighttime farming with it. They'll be fine. Boy, the reds are not very bright at all. Green's almost better than white. They come, each one, each bulb comes with a remote control. And the same remote works on all the bulbs, so you don't need 6 different remotes for all the different lights or whatever, but just got to be aiming at it. Got one on the back here. I can see where that might be nice to turn it on to red when I'm going down the road. They're even dimmable, although I don't know why you'd want to dim them. They're lights, I mean. So at this point, everything's painted. See, I just got the new, I replaced the cooler lines going to the hydropower. The other ones weren't bad, but paint just does not stick to rubber good, and I decided to just, before I put coolant in, I'm going to put brand new rubber on there so it looks better. And so now I can get my coolant in, get the engine oil filled up, put fuel in it, bleed it out, and she should be ready to start. I want to get a better battery for it. Just got a small one in there for getting all the electrical stuff checked out. So shouldn't be too much longer. Just depends on how much rain we get, how much I can be in the field or how much I can be in the shop. But as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.